Hello family and friends. This is another recipe that I'm doing for Super Bowl. And this is a simple one. When I do a lot of baking for an event, I take shortcuts. And for this one, I'm making brownies, but I'm going to do a Baileys Ganache over top. So I just kick it up a notch. But this is, I'm going to use Ghirardelli's brownie mix, because this is what I have. And I'm using 3 packages. So for 3 packages, I need 3 eggs, a cup of water, and a cup of oil. And then put it in the pan and bake it. So it's not going to be difficult. And I'm just going to go through the process. And I'll show you how it comes out in the end. I'm doing it in a big foil pan. Makes it easier to transport because I'm going over to one of Wendy's friends, I love their family. I'm telling you, she's got the best friends and I love them all dearly. And they have just welcomed me into their life, which is fabulous. So I'm going to start by adding the water and the oil. Okay, there's a cup of water. Yay. The last of my vegetable oil got all used up. Fabulous. And I'm going to start this mixing slow. One egg. Okay, I got a shell. Oh, you can't even see. I got a shell. You can see it in there. Anyhow, I'm going to use the egg shell to scoop it out. Let's see if I can keep this in the shot so you can see what the heck I'm doing. And just like that, I got it. When you try using your fingers, it's like you're chasing the shell. That's the shell. It just kind of stays put. I don't understand the reasoning behind it, but it works. Okay. Looks like we're all mixed up pretty good. Let me just give it a stir with my spatula. Get this all off of here. stir, make sure the bottom got all mixed in really well. Looks like we got everything. So now I'm just going to pour it into my pan, and I sprayed it with baking spray, and I'm using an aluminum pan so I don't have to worry about washing dishes over there or bringing anything home. So just gonna pour this all in. There's nothing special about this part. It's just a regular Ghirardelli brownie, but it's the ganache is where the magic happens. Okay. So we'll even this out. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for about, I'm going to start at 30 minutes and then I'll check it. So to finish the ganache for the brownies, I've got 2½ cups of chocolate chips and 2/3 cup of heavy cream. And I'm going to put them in the microwave and microwave it a minute at a time. I don't want to burn anything. So I poured it all over the top, spread it out, and I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator to let it chill until I leave. But those are my brownies with Baileys Ganache covering. So until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.